Hello, welcome to the National Model Aviation Museum. I'm Michael Smith, I'm the museum director, and I'd like to welcome you to another one of our unboxings. We have two boxes today, courtesy of David Roberts and Drone Sports Incorporated. These are recent additions, and we'll start and unbox them. We've actually got a couple different things here that we're excited to add. So as part of any project, you always have development, and as part of that, David was kind enough to donate to the museum the Alpha and the Beta. These are the prototypes of the models that became the drone soccer ball. So we've got those two. And then we also have from the winning team, the Sky Blazers, that won the very first drone nationals. This is a drone soccer ball from that team. So we're really excited to add these three, and this is one of the goals that the soccer balls, the contestants, or competitors I should say, try to fly their drones through the center there. There's some great footage on YouTube, you can check that out and see. But thanks to David and Drone Sports Incorporated for donating these models to the museum, and thanks to the Sky Blazers for donating one of their drones.